So the first thing we need to do will be to log into our Gmail account. Then when you get in here, you click on Google app, then look for Drive, right click on Drive and click open a new tab. Then move down and also right click on Sheets and open a new tab. And this is exactly what you will find. So once you've done that, the Drive will open here, and of course the sheet will open here. So this Drive will enable us to create a folder and upload the content of what will be the form part of the data for our app, and the Google Sheet will enable us to enter data just like we use Excel to, so that we can make reference to the data and use it to design our app. Then I will click on new folder. So the new folder, I will type the name of the school, J. Morris. I'll click on create. So J. Morris folder has been created here, so I'll open to this. So while I'm here, I can drag in all the files that will form the content of this. So I'll go back to my project folder, project 1. Then you can see that before now I had already chosen all what would be the content of my database. So I'll click on these, all the pictures. I'm picking all the pictures, so I'll just drag them inside here. So they are installing now, so I'll wait for a while for the installation to complete. So all the files have been uploaded to the drive. So I can now move to Google Sheets. Then from here I'll click on new sheets. So the first thing I'm going to do here will be waiting for it to load, finish loading, will be to change the name of this. So I will change this to J. Morris Spreadsheet. Then because of the fact that I have 3 different sections, so I will add the other remaining 2 sections. Then I'll call this, click on this and change this name to home. I'll click on this and change this name to about us, and I'll click on this and I change it to contact us. So under home, I'll return back to home. So I'm going to build the home and about us and the contact us based on the original design that I have in my project folder. So I'm at the home folder here. So what I'm going to do will be to return back to this design. You can see from here that I have home, and this is a little description about home. So I can copy this with the heading on top and paste it right there on that first section of the cell. So I'll right click here and I click on paste. So turn off access now. So I've done that. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to come right here and tell it to wrap this text. So that's the first one. So I've captured that. Then I'll move to the sections. So under the sections, I'll copy all this. Then I'll click here and click paste. Under sections, I have crèche. Okay, so I have crèche, comma, I type comma, nursery, comma, primary, and then secondary. So I change this to capital. So like so after doing that, you notice that it has come down here. So I will just click on it and I'll tell it to wrap it, then take it up. So that's done. Then the other one that is down here, I can just pull this out. So I think that looks good. So I will move to the next one. On my website, the domain name is already showing there. So I'll just right click here and click on paste. So the website is showing, but the domain name is right down. So I will come back again and say wrap this text, then move it up vertically. Then school picture. Now my school picture will be the building in the school. So I'll paste the heading. Then I will now return back to my Google folder. So I'm going to use this picture as my school picture. So I have to get the link to this picture. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on get link. So I can copy this link. Link is copied, then I'll click OK. So I'll return back here and right click here and paste that link. So the link is down there, so I'll just tell it to wrap and take it up. So that is done. Then the last section under home is the school picture. In this case is the girl's picture. So I'll do the same thing. I'll paste the heading. So I'm going to do the same for the other ones. For example, the school picture, just like I said, I will move to the school, right click on the school, then click on get link, then copy the link and I'll paste it here. For the school, for the student picture, I will do the same thing too. Move to the student, click on get link, and copy the link. And once it's copied, I will come around and paste it here. So that's how I got this. Then I'll move to about us. Same thing under about us. I'll refer back to my original design. Then I'll copy whatever I have under about us. It's already here. Take that up, paste here, and do the same for my goal. Do the same for the boy. So the student, in this case the boy, what I need is a link. So I'll return back to Google Drive, click on it, click on get link, then copy the link, and the link is what I pasted here. Then I move to contact us. Under contact us, I will specify the address, the telephone number, the email address, and of course the Google map will be inputted when I start working with the app. So that's basically how the design is done on the spreadsheet. I've gotten all my data on the spreadsheet. So the drives enable us to store all our pictures. The spreadsheet enables us to input all our data. Then once we have these two ready, then we can now move to the actual app design.